For a few years it began first in the world of actors and actresses International Film USA, then spread throughout the world fashion show off the fine white teeth, and as a result, they have emerged countless dentists professionals dedicated to address this issue. While we know that the methods applied by professionals give excellent results, the original idea of this site is to give priority to home remedies and natural and home treatments to achieve similar goals, and obviously spending a ton less. In this case, use a spice with many properties and uses. Turmeric was first used in the kitchen, and then other no less important uses were discovered thanks to its active ingredient called curcumin, which has inhibitory properties on growth of malignant hepatic cells, protects the heart, slows aging, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action, and also is extremely useful to achieve turmeric home with teeth whitening, a simple and super economical way. Also, turmeric for its antibiotic, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties is to be an effective home remedy for gingivitis, to treat sensitive teeth, toothache and fight bad breath. Turmeric for teeth whitening. Below, we present two recipes that can be prepared easily at home. Both two meet perfectly with the function to whiten teeth. Ingredients: 1. Turmeric powder. 2. Coconut oil. 3. Sodium bicarbonate. Coconut oil is beneficial to maintain oral health as it helps treat and improve the problems of the gums. Gingivitis, helps fight plaque, fights bad breath, and also serves to whiten teeth. All these properties he shares with turmeric. Baking soda is abrasive and helps clean teeth and remove stains from the enamel. It also promotes the removal of plaque and neutralizes acids produced by bacteria and which are so harmful to the health of dental enamel, thus preventing tooth decay. In preparation: 1. Place 4 tablespoons of dried and ground turmeric in a bowl. 2. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 3 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. 3. Mix well until a smooth paste. 4. Place the dough obtained on the toothbrush and brush as usual. 5. Rinse thoroughly with water at room temperature. 6. Repeat several times a week for at least 15 to 20 days. 7. Perform maintenance of 1 to 2 times a week. 8. The remainder of the preparation can be kept cold, 5 degrees Celsius, for 7 days in airtight container. Another home remedy: simple teeth whitening turmeric. To prepare this other method, mix well. Only need 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a very small amount of hot water, to bring together a hard back. Brush teeth for about 1 minute. Rinse mouth with water, brushing with toothpaste common teeth to remove any remaining turmeric that may have been between the